here we go. This is not named as 67 or anything, but it's all about the wiring at this point. This is the main piece here. This is where the battery connects to, and then we'll have to go through and figure out where all the different motors, I would imagine, will fit into this part here. So that'll take a little while to figure out how everything connects up, but I'm guessing the wheel motors will go straight to the first bit over there, and then the one that's working for the head rotation, that piece will go into number 2 here, and then we'll go over here, and then this is for the arm, that sort of the claw that does this, and it will go, I would imagine, to number 3, and so on and so forth. I hope that's right. I will try connecting them up and then tell you if that's true, or if not, I will explain why that's not the case. There's a bunch of other things here as well. There's this little piece here, and it also seems to connect up to the last one there. So I will go through all that and figure it out for you guys, and then let you know what the truth was. See you in the next one video.